Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic South Indian snack, crispy and delicious spiced lentil fritters, also known as Paruppu Vadai. So let's get cooking. For the vadais or vadas, here I have 3/4 cup of chana dal, also known as split chickpeas, 1/4 cup of toor dal or split pigeon peas, 1 tablespoon of rice. This is totally optional, but it just makes the vadas so crispy. 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies, 2 Thai green chilies. Once again, this is optional, but it's nice to at least add 1. 8 to 10 curry leaves, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. To start, here I have a mixing bowl to which I'm going to add the chana dal, the toor dal, rice, and the red chilies. I'm going to rinse this mixture under cold water around 5 to 6 times till the water runs clear. I've shown how to rinse rice and lentils in a lot of my previous videos. You can check it out here if you'd like. Once rinsed, I'm going to soak this mixture in cold water for an hour to 1.5 hours. You don't want to soak it for much longer because you still want the lentils to hold their own when we grind them. I've soaked my lentils for an hour and a half, and as you can see, they've expanded and absorbed most of the liquid. You can strain this mixture of any of the remaining water and set this aside. Now I'm going to transfer the strained mixture to my blender or mixer here. To this, I'm also going to add the green chilies that I chopped into, the rinsed curry leaves, and the hing or asafoetida. I'm also going to salt this to taste. I know this looks like a lot of salt, but it's only because I've zoomed in, so don't worry. I'm going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of water to this mixture for grinding, and we can always add more water later. We don't want to add too much water at this point because we want our mixture to hold, and the lentils already have a lot of moisture content in them. We want to coarsely grind this mixture. I like to use the pulse function on my mixer to do this. We're not looking for a smooth paste. It's perfectly fine if some of the lentils remain whole, and we almost want that, so when we bite into the vadas, it's all crispy and delicious. To make the vadas, I'm going to take a tablespoon's worth, make a sphere with my hand like this, and flatten it. I'm going to continue this till I run out of my mixture. This mixture makes around 12 to 15 small vadas. In a pot here on high heat, I've added some sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in the first vada. You always want to start with 1 so you know if it holds itself, and you can also adjust the batter for things like salt. If the vada falls apart in the oil, all you have to do is just pulse the mixture some more and it should be fine. After adding in the first vada, I'm also going to reduce the heat to medium-high so the vadas don't burn. We're looking for a reddish-brown color to the vadas. They should take around a minute and a half on each side. I also like to flip the vadas every 30 seconds to a minute to make sure they're not burning. As you can see, this looks perfect. And I'm just going to transfer this to a plate that I've lined with some paper towels. And I'm just going to make the rest of the vadas in the same way. To serve, you can pair these vadas with any chutney of your choice. Here I'm using a simple coconut chutney. And I also like to pair it with a steaming cup of either coffee or tea for that perfect evening snack. This vada is almost like the South Indian version of a falafel, so it works really well in salads and in wraps. If you're using it in wraps, I like to not use the rice as part of the batter because it does make the vadas very crispy. But if you like that, you can just follow the recipe as is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do end up making it, please let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. and I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!